Good morning! Oh my god, I don't have many voice, babe. Oh, the sun is really up. Hello, New York! Chrysler, Empire State. Good morning from Vegas. And there is actually a Italy here. You know the Italy in New York City, wherein it's an Italian supermarket and grocery. They have it here. Yeah, when we drink.
5.5 ounces is 10 ounces. Okay, this one.
Yeah, it's a hard plastic for $3.99 solo cup. Because in Vegas, you're allowed to drink alcohol as long as it's put in a plastic cup. Hello.
Happy New Year.
Look at this chandelier and this mall. We're right here at the famous Las Vegas Bellagio for the water fountain show. It's actually a New Year's Day Eve today, and we're celebrating our New Year's here in one of the most amazing, fabulous Las Vegas Strip. And we're actually just waiting for the Bellagio water fountain show. And I know it's the same must if you are visiting Vegas Strip. I'm pretty excited. This is actually my first time here in Las Vegas. And also, facing the Bellagio is the Paris. We're in Paris, this Eiffel Tower. Yay! Oh, we made it! We just watched the Bellagio water fountain show. It's happening every 30 minutes. After 8 is every 15 minutes. And we're going to have dinner later. So it's another buffet challenge. So we'll find it out who's better, if it is the Wien buffet or the Bacchanal one. Look at this line for the buffet.
Time for everyone to enjoy.
It's New Year's, no? I think it's more expensive.
Yeah, it's okay.
So make a reservation, not walk in. The walk-in line is huge. It's crazy. Yeah, thank you. Oh, I'm just lucky. But, you know, it's more faster if you're just party of two. Rather than if you're a big group, for sure you have to wait because they have to combine the tables. Yeah, we're just lucky. No, we did the reservation.
Better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire. Don't care of anything else. It's Christmas. And some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas.
So welcome to Caesar Palace Bacchanal Buffet. I'm sorry with my voice. I am struggling now.
With you. Oh, it's such a charm. Got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It it's that time of the year. Drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas.
This is the steak corner.
Some kind of love.
Look at that slab steak.
Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's
Hi. Thank you.
It's just you and me.
Look at this caviar right here. I'll try the green one. Spicy. Another black. Look at this, so pretty. And the last one, this salmon. Which is your favorite? The caviar, the orange one. After dessert.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
We're done eating. Oh, look at this. Still, the line is huge. Crazy. Look at that lines.
It's almost 9 already.
Best buffet. We're literally walking in Las Vegas street right now. The road is officially closed, so you just have to walk. So from Caesar Palace, we're going back to Park MGM before the countdown begins. A lot of people. It's getting crazy now. All the police are starting to control the people. Bellagio show is happening again.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me.
So we're heading out now to watch the fireworks. Excuse my voice. I still don't have voice. I'm still struggling. Now people are starting to file up because we're just in Park MGM. Look at this Italy. So we're just connected to Park MGM. And then there's like a designated fireworks around the hotels here in Vegas. The one is here in MGM. That one is in Aria, which is back here, I think. Yeah, somewhere here. And then Planet Hollywood, just right there. So yeah, which is New York, it's just right here. And it's not too crowded, crazy. It was really perfect. Yeah, it's very spacious. You're not gonna wear any diapers anymore to wait for New Year's 2025 or in Vegas. Oh my God. So my voice is dead. Look at these people now. How many minutes?
4 minutes.
4 minutes! Yeah! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Surrounded with fireworks all over. Amazing! I love it.
Baby, I just want you.
Turn up. Happy New Year, everybody! Oh my God! Then our hotel is just right here.
Yeah, it's right there. Just walk in.
Just walk in. You don't need to wear any diapers. Nothing. Just get out of your hotel, watch the fireworks. It's freezing cold, run back, get warm. Happy New Year. We're heading back to the hotel. Happy New Year, everyone. It's 2025. It was an amazing 2024. They're still selling food here.
Yeah. Oh my God.
They're still working. People are still working here in Italy. Year to you. Happy New Year. It's gonna be a good year, babe. It's gonna be a good year. Good year. We're gonna be rich.
It's gonna get rich.
We're gonna be rich.
Okay, this was 20.
13,000. Okay, come on. Oh my God. Woo! Hey guys, good morning from Las Vegas. It's our last day here. Actually, we're already back. Our luggage right there, but we're having all day to explore the city. So we're just finishing this coffee and we're gonna grab some food and we'll see you in New York tonight. Sophie, check. This is my airport outfit. I'm just wearing jumpsuit, black corduroy right here. And then I'm wearing a vest. I love this vest. It's like a Sherpa from Urban Outfitters. And my 550 New Balance shoes right here. And also this vest, you can put a lot of stuffs right here. My camera, perfect for traveling. And of course, my letter M cup right there. So yeah, I'm still gasping to talk. Oh, my voice is so bad. So Chris is already checking out and we're gonna leave our luggages first and explore the city more. Here, right? Yeah, it's here. Bruno Mars is actually performing in Park MGM. So they got a lot of merch here. Oh, look at this. Rosie and Bruno. This is actually cute collab from Hello Kitty with Bruno Mars. Oh, look at this. Oh, even tote bags and cup right here. But we haven't watched the Bruno Mars concert because it's actually sold out. Anyway, maybe next time. Look how fast he walks. Right there. Welcome to Italy here in Park MGM. So we're looking for something to eat for brunch before I flew back to New York City. We're still gonna have a half day here in Vegas. Oh, Vegas, it's so nice. Thank you for a very good New Year's celebration. By the way, this CVS pharmacy, there's so many Filipinos are working there and I have amazing talks with them. Even like one person are literally like, oh, you're Filipino. And they hugged me and greeted me Happy New Year. Only in Vegas. That is so nice. That is good about the Filipino spirit. In New York City, no. Next. That's the only thing you can hear with them. Next. But we had a good sleep last night, right, baby? We finished 2 bottles of champagnes and a pack of beers. Happy New Year! We're here at Whataburger. It's like a sport dive course right here. But it's a fast food chain. It's a burger chain. So baby is actually ordering right now. Hello! It's like the logo of Wonder Woman. So we order what? Bacon burger?
Bacon cheese.
Bacon cheeseburger right here. And then they got spicy ketchup. Look at that. Look at that burger. It's so pretty. For a fast food? Yeah.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up
So they got cheese sapphire reserve here beside the Ding Tai Fung restaurant inside the Aria hotel and casino.
the trunks full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need.
That is where we stayed, right there.
Oh, we don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just wanna dance.
Why no light? Bellagio, what's going on? Huh? Look at that. Paris, the high roller, Spears.
Capri Sun. I don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else, and no, don't.
Look at this Christmas in Bellagio. There's so many people though. Look at this.
Joy to the world.
Great.
The Lord is
The carousel.
Let
We're here in Bellagio.
receive her King. Let every heart.
So from Bellagio, from Italy, let's go to Paris. People are waiting for the water fountain show. We're crossing in the Mega Strip. Hello. Oh, there. Maybe the entrance is right there. Come inside the Paris. Ah, it's so pretty. The aesthetic is just like you're under the Eiffel Tower. So cute. Basically, you're like in the street of Paris. Look at this bar. It's like a chandelier. Nice. So this is where to check in. You have to pass to the casino first and then heading to the check-in area. Oh, cute. Look at those chandeliers. Look at that. So pretty. We're right here at Cafe Belle Madeleine, here inside the Paris Hotel and Casino. We're just quickly grabbing some warm coffee, and then we're still going to explore before we go and head to the airport and fly back to New York City. We're actually enjoying the hotel hoppings right now here in Las Vegas. Like grabbing a coffee here in Cafe Belle Madeleine, it took an hour just to get a cup of coffee. Look at this coffee, $9.74. And you have to wait for an hour just to get this cup of coffee. So we're picking up our luggage again here in Park MGM, and we're gonna go straight to the airport, and then we're just gonna wait at the lounge and head back to New York City. Bye, Park MGM.
When we used to be in love, and we thought that nothing could ever keep us from.
Happy New Year!
Gato.
Yeah, that's the one I won last night. You drink the
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run?
So we're all set.
Chances, empty-handed. You left fast life.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Black eye. You want some love, like when you feel it calling. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I didn't hope for, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going all to different places, different planets.
Artichoke pizza. We just got back here in JFK in New York City. Maybe there, escalator. Hi, can I have large latte? Yeah, hot.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I'm good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
When you couch arrive here, like this. Yes. And this one have the hidden table right here. Oh, it's so comfy. Hi. It's officially another year. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy 2025. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. This is your girl Maria without any voice saying Salamat. Thank you. Paalam. Bye. And we'll definitely see you on my next and upcoming video. Happy New Year, everybody. Bye.